Hello everyone, my name is Diego Gutierrez, and in today's video I wanted to go through the Hulu app on the iPad using VoiceOver and a QWERTY keyboard. So the purpose of this video is to see how accessible and user-friendly this app is for a person using a screen reader such as VoiceOver. Okay, so for those of you that are unfamiliar with Hulu, this is a video streaming service where you can stream and watch TV shows and online movies. So this app can be downloaded onto various mobile devices, TV applications, video game systems, and you can even access this service through their website. Additionally, Hulu provides many shows and movies with audio descriptions. So if you're a person that needs or likes to have audio descriptions while they're watching a movie or TV show, Hulu has, as of now, 95 titles with audio descriptions available. So on the screen, I'm currently on the American Council for the Blind webpage on the Audio Description Project, which provides an up-to-date and extensive list of all the TV shows and movies with audio description on Hulu. So now let's get the show on the road and let's see how well I can navigate the app using VoiceOver and a QWERTY keyboard. Okay, so a quick note for this demo. You'll notice that everything in the iPad will be on the left panel and everything I'm doing on the keyboard would be on the right panel. So let's begin. So to navigate, I just use the right and left arrow keys. The right arrow key would be to go to the next item and the left arrow key to go to the previous item. So I'm just going to go through each item and see what I find.
Menu, top of the screen. Manage casting options. Button. American Ninja Warrior on NBC. Season 12 finale now streaming. Play. Button. Details. Button. View more options. Button. TV for you. Heading. Row 2 of 35.
Okay, so notice that when I press the right or the next key, it just goes through each item. But I'm just going to use the rotor commands to navigate through each heading and see if there's any category that sounds interesting to me. So I'm going to press the up arrow key and the right arrow key at the same time to switch the rotor key, and then it will take me around the rotor. So now that I'm in headings, I will now navigate using either the up arrow key or the down arrow key. The down arrow key to advance to the next item and the up arrow key to go to the previous. So now I'm just going to go through each category. I'm going to turn it up a little bit more.
Home renovation, heading. Row 4 of 30, Hulu Kids, heading. Blockbuster movies, heading. Hulu Originals, heading. FX on Hulu, heading. Row 8 Kids, heading. Row 9 of 35.
Now that I found the category I'm interested in looking into, I can either press left or press right to go through each item.
View more, Madagascar, A Little Wild on Hulu Original Series, for animation.
Or I can change the rotor to containers.
Words. Speaking rate. Containers.
So instead of going through every single item, I could just go through every video.
Madagascar, A Little Wild, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Coco Melon, For Fat Trolls World Tour, Sonic Boom, Dog Mix Stuff is on Disney Junior, trending this week, TV.
Now I'm going to go to the first video that was in this list, which is
Teen Titans, Sonic Trolls, Coco, Teenage Mutant, Madagascar, A Little Wild on Hulu Original Series, for animation fans, TVG, Family, Animation, 2020.
But I remember that the current movie that the cursor's on has audio description. So I'm going to show you how to access that. So I'm going to press caps lock and space to select the item.
Original series. Heading.
Okay, so it took me to the heading.
Wrapped up in the enduring humor and physical comedy that made the Madagascar movie so popular. Madagascar.
And then it gives a description of the series.
Start watching. Season 1, Episode 1. Button.
And then it took us to the start watching button. So I'm going to start watching.
Start watching. Load. Player. Double tap to toggle controls. Heading.
And I'm going to go to volume. And by default, there's no audio description. So in order for me to access that, I need to tap, pressing caps lock space, then go to the settings. So I'll be pressing next or the right arrow to access settings. I'll select that. Then we have audio. We have English. And with audio description. So now I'm going to select this.
Selected. English. Audio description.
And
player. Double tap to toggle controls. Heading. Actions available.
Come on, honey. Let's go see the sea lions.
The zebra and lion shot each other.
That's my super cool slinking thing. Get your dirty hook off. Hey, you got very clean moves.
Close layer. Button. Close.
So notice that it provided audio descriptions for this movie. And now for its accessibility rating. I would say that this app is really accessible, but it's not perfect. Firstly, I think it would have been a great idea to put the movies and the shows with audio description in a separate section, or have options to place it in a specific section where they can be easily found and accessed by individuals. And secondly, it is great that Hulu is providing shows and movies with audio description in their video database, but it's only 95 out of 1,000 videos out there. So having more variety would really be great. And lastly, for some implementation tips, I think in order for somebody to successfully access this app, they would need to be well versed in their screen reader navigation skills. It took me several days and attempts to get this down using VoiceOver and the keyboard, but once I was able to get through all its buttons and all the features and all the headings and containers, it only got easier. Okay, so we have now reached the end of my video. Thank you for your time, and I hope you found this demonstration to be informative.